Hello guys, welcome back to the next tutorial. Today we're gonna see something called auto suggest or auto complete. So in a lot of websites, especially I'm not gonna talk about this one, especially google.com that we use pretty much every day. So Google has an auto suggest thing, auto complete thing, that when we type something, a lot of suggestions comes into the list and then it can pick from the list. So similar to that, pretty much all the booking websites have that. So let's say if I type New York, it's gonna give me all those options, right? So I can pretty much select from any of these. So this is called auto suggest or auto complete. And then I can click on one of them. So let's see the Selenium way, how we do it using Selenium. So first we need to find the ID of this text box. So the ID is origin airport displayed, and then we need to find the locators for this list, the list that is shown. So this looks like div class AC underscore results, and all the elements that were shown, all the options, they are under the tags, and all the tags are li tags. So let's say this Newark NJ-EWR. So let's say I want to select because I've already created the prototype for you guys. So let's say that I want to type in New York and I want to select Newark NJ-EWR. So my searching text is Newark NJ-EWR, which means the actual one that I want to select. And my partial text is New York because I'm going to type New York. So I've already created the before method, which has the Firefox instance, the base URL, maximizing the window, and timeout for the implicit wait. So let's start with the coding. And the first thing that we need to do is we need to find the web element of the text box. So let's call it text. And let's say driver dot find element by dot id, and I've already copied the ID there, so this is the ID, and we wanna send the partial text to my text box. So this is gonna be the partial text. After that, I wanna actually get the locator for, I wanna get the element for my results, all the results, right? So let's call it element and driver dot find element by dot xpath, because I didn't see any ID there, so I'm just using xpath. And let's say how we can create that. So it has a div with the class called AC underscore results. That should do our job. So let's put double slashes and just select this. That should do the work for us. Just copy paste it here. And now we want all the elements inside that result. Basically we want all the li elements, right? So we need all the li elements into one of our list. So just grab all these li elements in a list. Let me create a list for that. And actually I don't need a web element, I need a list of type web element. So results and element, this is the element, right? So element dot find elements and by dot tag name. So we need all the elements by tag name li into a list called results. I can basically, maybe let's get the size of the list, and size equals to results dot size, and then let's carry on with our operation with the actions that we want to perform. So let's put a sleep for maybe 3 seconds so you guys can see the list there, otherwise it's gonna select very quickly from the list. And then from the list we actually wanna we wanna test the text of the element, right? So let's say if I'm typing New York, I wanna see if the text of the element is Newark NJ-EWR, and if the text is matched, then I'm just gonna click that element. So for one result in results list, if the result dot get text dot equals to my searching text, right? That's my searching text. That's what I want to match for. So if my text from one of the elements of the list matches this searching text, then I just wanna I wanna click the element, right? So I just wanna click the element. Once that's done, my test will be complete. What else we can do here? Yeah, okay, we can also print the list out. So let's print the list also with another way of iterating, not with the for each loop. So this is the for each loop, right? When we are iterating using the colon and the item within the list. So the other way is int I equals to 0, and we wanna iterate through the I should be less than the size, and size is the size of the list, right? So this is here, and I plus plus CISO, and we want to actually just do results dot get I dot get text. We just want to print the text of all the elements. So let me run this code, guys, and just concentrate, just pay some attention on the web. It should just open the southwest.com and type in New York, and then it's just gonna wait for 3 seconds, and then select Newark NJ-EWR, and in the console we should see the size of the list and all the items that's present in the list. Basically we actually didn't print the size of the list, so it's just gonna show all the elements that are present in the list. Yeah, I'll update the code with printing the size of the list also before uploading, and you should be able to find the code on the web for your reference. Just okay, it's there, typing New York, waiting, and then it's gonna select Newark NJ-EWR. Okay, so that's done. So it has selected that from the list. I'm just gonna close the browser and just gonna show you the console. So it is showing you all the items that were present from the list, and one of them is Newark NJ-EWR. So this is pretty much it, and nothing else. If we just want to print the size of the list is, then we need to add one more statement. The size of the list is, oops, typo, the list is size. So that should do. I'll upload the code on the web. I would say, guys, just practice, find some other website and try to do similar stuff. You can access the code from the web to refer and do some of your actions on some other websites, so you'll get used to it. Stay tuned for the next tutorials. Until then, just practice as much as you can. Thanks, guys.